Welcome back to our channel. Did you know a man who lost everything, his family, his freedom, his entire life as he knew it, went on to write one of the most powerful philosophies in human history? Stay till the end, because this story might change the way you see your own life. Around 135 AD, a boy was born in a small town in Greece. His name was Epictetus. But his life began with one of the harshest realities imaginable. He was born a slave. Imagine having no control over your own body. Whatever your master commanded, you had to obey. One day, his cruel master twisted his leg in anger. Instead of screaming in pain, Epictetus calmly said, "If you keep twisting, it will break." The master pushed harder, and it broke. But Epictetus didn't cry, he didn't complain. Why? Because by then he understood a truth that most people never learn in their entire lives. He realized there are only two kinds of things in this world. First, things within our control, our thoughts, our choices, our reactions. Second, things outside our control, what other people do, what happens in the future, what happens to our body. His broken leg was not in his control, but how he chose to respond to that pain, that was entirely his. That one realization set him free for the rest of his life. Even in chains, his mind was completely free. Later, he was freed and moved to Rome, where he began teaching philosophy. Thousands of people came to learn from him, emperors and ordinary citizens alike, because what he taught was a truth powerful enough to change a life. Now think about your own life. The job you lost, that wasn't in your control. But what you do next, that's entirely yours. The relationship that hurt you, that's in the past. But who you become from today, that's your decision. Most of the pain we feel every day comes from one simple mistake. We try to control things that were never ours to control. And the one thing that truly is ours, our thoughts, our habits, our response, we barely pay attention to it. Epictetus once said something that has changed people's lives for over 2,000 years. Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views which they take of things. What does that mean? It means no situation in your life directly causes you pain. What causes the pain is the story you tell yourself about that situation. So starting today, do one thing. Whenever you feel frustrated or angry about something, ask yourself, is this within my control? If it's not, let it go. If it is, put your full energy into it. That one distinction is what separates an ordinary person from an unshakable one. Epictetus went from being a slave to becoming one of history's most influential philosophers simply by understanding this one truth. Apply it to your own life, too, because your circumstances don't define you. How you respond to them does. If this story meant something to you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today.